Hi, my name is Marilyn D. Fitzgerald. I'm a wellness speaker, lifestyle coach, certified group fitness instructor, certified metaphysical studies presenter, and author. And we're experiencing unprecedented times. Times that are defined by many people as being a crisis. You know, the late Dr. Miles Monroe said that crisis requires one to change and be innovative. And I agree. I agree that we should not surrender to seeming problems. However, look at them as an opportunity to create new ideas, new goals, new habits, to create a new vision for ourselves and our lives. Now, I didn't always have this great attitude when life hit me on my blind side or I was experiencing undesirable situations. I've fallen victim several times to my circumstances. You know, I created a tool that has helped me during a lot of different difficulty, uncertain times to get clear, to set new goals, to set new directions for my experiences. On a daily basis, it keeps me accountable by setting intentions and keeping track of my mind, body, spirit habits, my physical, my spiritual, my thoughts, and maintaining the universal laws. I believe this tool can help everyone. And I am launching a 31-day Master Your Mind, Your Spirit, Mind, Body challenge using the Spirit of a Winner 31-day guided journal. This journal will challenge and provoke you to keep track of your unconscious, self-sabotaging habits and negative thoughts that might be hindering you from creating a better version of yourself, a better life, and a healthy lifestyle. It will require you to follow the laws, the universal laws and principles. It will require you to take your attention off the outer experiences and set intentions for an inward journey. Now, this program I mentioned and the journal, I believe would help everyone. But I know a lot of people are not willing to change or do what is necessary to create a better life, a better version of themselves. So I'm only looking for 50 women who want to achieve victory over their circumstances. You know, for many years, and I spent a lot of money studying and practicing universal laws and principles. For many years, I've studied a variety of different personal development topics, health and wellness, and presented on those topics for major seminar companies and my own company. As a competitive athlete, competing in multiple sports for many years, I took that passion for health and wellness and decided to go into be a group fitness instructor, personal trainer, in helping people coach them to healthier lifestyles. So yes, I'm qualified. I'm qualified to support anyone who's willing to do the work, who's willing to invest in their health and their life and creating new experiences. Now, usually this program is $295, but I'm only offering it for $65 because I'm going to donate most of my time in this effort. You will get the journal. We will meet starting June the 3rd, every Wednesday, weekly, at 7 p.m. Pacific time. I will cover several of the topics. We'll be journaling and tracking on a daily basis. I'll have special guests, group workouts, and meditation. And yes, for those who cannot meet this time or cannot make this time, we will record it. So don't worry, we'll send that link out to you. Now, I will take 10% of the proceeds and identify 1 to 3 families that are experiencing hardship during these times, and I will gift them a grocery gift card. Now, this is a great gift experience for you to have this dynamic experience. Why? Not because I wrote the journal. No. It's because it says is when 2 or more gathered, there's more power in your minds collectively. That it can be a powerful experience when people decide that, look, I am not going to just sit in a situation. I'm going to take some action. And it takes me to do it. Now, with Mother's Day coming up, it's a great Mother's Day gift. I'm excited with the possibilities of being able to support others in their experience while I'm even helping my own self. To sign up for this, you go to thespiritofawinner.com. You look for the page where you see the challenge. You push the buy button. There it would take you to how to register. If you don't do that, you can call me, 708-720-4317. Hey, I'm looking forward to a great experience with you. I do hope you join me in developing a winning spirit.